Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve problem of Spotify for creators. You click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about Spotify for creators. In this page of app info you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.